Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create another account or your second RedNote account. Creating another account is pretty easy process, just follow me to do it. After launching the RedNote app, tap on me, and as you can see, this is my first account. Now to create another account, I'm tapping on settings, and here I'm tapping on switch account. Now tapping on add account. Now go ahead and create your second account. To create your secondary account with your mobile number, just select here your country code, write here the mobile number and tap on login. And after verifying your phone number, your second account will be created. In my case, I'm going to create second account with Google. So here's I'm selecting my Google account. And that's it. My second account has been successfully created. Now to switch between your two accounts, go to me, tap on settings, and here tap on switch account. Now you can go ahead and easily switch your accounts. And that's how you'll be able to add more than two accounts. Just follow my steps and create your accounts. Thank you.